A person chills, then burns in sudden heat. The fever strikes, in cycles they repeat. Muscles ache, the sweat begins to pour. A parasite is knocking at the door. Malaria comes through, 𝗁𝗵𝗕𝗏𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘 bite. Plasmodium enters under cover of night. Seek a doctor for the test and the plan. Early treatment saves lives where it can. 5 types cause disease in human veins. 𝗁𝗵𝗵𝗀 is feared for its reign. From liver cells, it multiplies with speed, then bursts into blood to feed and breed. Malaria comes through, 𝗁𝗵𝗕𝗏𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗕𝗘 bite. Plasmodium enters under cover of night. Seek a doctor for the test and the plan. Early treatment saves lives where it can. Mosquito nets and sprays can block the spread. Anti-malarials help ahead. In regions warm where puddles grow wide, it's where the vector loves to hide. Complications strike if it's delayed. Brain, kidneys, lungs can be betrayed. So act at once if symptoms rise, and follow science to stay wise. Malaria's deadly, but we can fight with swift response and guided insight. Always seek a doctor's view to know the cause and what to do.